Straight in front of us now. Still only about 3 foot from him.
Oh, he's gone under again. No, there he is.
No, I see him.
There he is, right there. Oh man, every time I get zoomed in on him, you push with the paddle. Huh?
2 of them.
Turn back so that our nose is at 12 o'clock.
One straight in front of us almost, and
Whoa.
one to the left.
Ooh, there's one right there. Did you see the water come up? Oh shoot, let it, I pray it doesn't hit us hard.
See it
Boy.
right there?
Where?
Straight in front of us.
Yeah. Straight in front of us at a distance, I do.
And there's another one out to the right, a ways out.
No, there was one just right in front of our boat. You missed it. There's the one that's up ahead. Right there. I'm gonna let you paddle. Oh, I can't hold steady enough. Man,
We're getting pretty close.
where's your tripod when you need it? There he is. Tim, don't go like right on him. I mean, I don't want to disturb the guy. He looks like a biggie. Yeah, he's a gator. Oh, yeah. Well, now I can't get... I'm zoomed into... When I try to go in too close, I lose track of him. Where is he? I see him with my eyes. I don't see him with the camera. Right there. My hands aren't steady. I mean, there he is.
His nose is facing to the left.
Yeah, right there. I got him. I get a good shot right now. I just can't hold my hands still. Yep, I want to take a picture. Can you just be still? Because if I push this button on top, first I got to find him. I got to zoom back out to find him. There he is. Gosh. Now I can't find him again. The closer I get, I lose him. Just sit here. Man, I think I'm shooting photos. I lost him again. There he is. Why? How close do you think makes them mad?
I don't know. I don't know.
Well, let's just sit here like this, because
You need to get more in the center of the canoe. You got it. You're too much to the left side.
all he's got is his head above water now.
He's definitely a gator, that's for sure.
Well, see, when you're a Floridian, you know how to spot him. We spotted him from hundreds of yards away.
There's another one out there to the left.
Oh my gosh, I'm shaking trying to get a good shot. Do you want to try it?
No. Did you bring your phone?
I'm holding too tight. I need to just relax. Gosh, if I could just get a good picture of his head right now. It's like I can't keep it on him. Once I get it on him, I start moving around. I think because I'm kind of shaking. Again. I don't know if I got him or not. Where is he? I know I see him, but I cannot get him in my camera. I just don't have the ability, the photographic know-how. To know. Okay, so this guy just went under our boat. We suddenly...
Look at that big one there.
Wow, there's two of them. We suddenly heard a splash, and then we saw the dirt, and Tim says he's getting out of here. There's one. There's the other. Oh my gosh, and there's a third out there that I just saw surface. We are in a hangout. Wow, this one's really coming up over here. I can't. Whoa. Huh?
Now we got caught in that
It wasn't
There's another one right in front of us.
Wow.
Yep.
Yep, there's another one right in front of us. Okay, I'm gonna forget the ones.
The hangout.
Yeah, we're in the hangout now.
Get out of there.
Tim wants to get out of the hangout, and I want to say, hey, we hit the jackpot. This is why people come out here. There he is. Well, he went under. No telling where. We've found another gator. We're Floridians, so we know what to look for. We look for the eyes and the body shape. So we've seen other people that have come out here and said they found nothing, but we've seen 6. Okay, this one has gone under. Yeah, we've had one big one go under our canoe in 2 feet of water, and then we passed over where he had stirred up the mud. This one has just gone under. I mean, when you're a Floridian and you know what to look for, you look for either 2 eyes or a head with 2 eyes, or you look for a head and a body. And if the shape just stays where it is, it's probably not a gator. But if it's there and then it disappears and then you see it resurface somewhere else, it probably is. So it's kind of an art to looking for gators, but it's real easy out here in this Myakka lake. I just don't see any right now because Tim, he's gone racing away from the habitat.
Yeah, we were right there in the middle of the front.
Well, it was the lily pads back and over there, and those lily pads on top of the water. That was the habitat. There he is. We've got another one in sight. He just went under and then came back up. That's one way that you know for sure that you found a gator. See, now he's gone. Because they come up and then they go down when they see you coming. Sometimes they're bold enough to stay on top of the water. We should be getting right about over him right now. There he is right there. And he just went under again. Yeah, the water's about a foot deep, and I'd say right now we're probably going over him. So I'm leaving the camera going. He hasn't come up. So he definitely tried to get away from us, and that's how we knew it was a gator, because we saw the head with the eyes. We didn't see a body, and that's when they're letting their body hang down. That's what you see. It's just the eyes. But he went under to get away from us. He was a shy one, unlike several ones we saw earlier that didn't care. Who cares about birds? But there's a nice one up here. No, we care about birds. We love all the wildlife. It's especially exciting to run into gators. A great trip. We see a whole herd of hogs running back there, and I don't even think I'm going to get them.
Oh, they're gone.
They're gone now, but we just saw a whole herd of hogs.
5 of them.
5. Well, that's a herd. You can see them in the tree line,
Yeah.
but you can't make them out. The naked eye you can, but that was cool. Okay, Tim sees something on the shore. I'm gonna.
Oh, the water was moving. I don't know if it's a gator or not.
Okay, but we'll just scan the shore. Right now we got some birds up there. Right there. And we're finishing up our trip coming to the outpost out on Lake Myakka. We've seen 7 gators and caught videos of a few, but the most exciting thing was when a big one went under our boat, and we didn't get it on video, but we saw the mud trail.